What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I want to show you this. It's an intelligent socket with overload protection, not overlord protection. But as you can see here, what I actually wanted was kind of like a simple surge protector to give me more plugs near my desk. And then I found this thing and I was like, well, this is even better because now I don't have to load up that surge protector with USB plugs as well, the little charging blocks, which are always in short supply and vary in outputs, because this one has 4 of them on the outside here and then 3 regular grounded outlets and in a package that is about the size of an Apple TV. So it's not going to take up a lot of real estate on my desk, and it's going to give me kind of the functionality and clean it up with without me having to sacrifice the ability to charge any of my electronics. So you can put in 4 cables here, so I can plug my iPhone, my wireless charging pad, my iPad, what have you, your Jawbone or your Bluetooth headset, and then plug in everything from monitors to external hard drives and all that. Now, we've got a plastic case here. This thing is actually pretty light. We do have some rubberized feet on the bottom, so once it goes down, it should not move. In fact, it's pretty sturdy. And then we have a pretty long cable here. I'm gonna guess that is about 5 feet long and a grounded outlet there. So you can use something like this to plug in just about anything you need, from micro USB to lightning cables to anything else. And here, in case you're wondering what the outputs are, you can see them all here. So 2.4 amps each port. That's pretty awesome for the USB. That's going to give you a fast charging capability for sure. And then, like I said, overload protection. And right back here, you have a built-in circuit breaker here. So off and then reset. So if something does kind of short it out, it should go off and then you can reset it just like that. So pretty clever surge protector like functionality in just a form factor that is going to really work well at your office, at your desk, at your workstation. Check it out. I will put a link to this little bad boy in the description below. Peter Von Panda out.